Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can apply your background to other pages in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply go here to background on the left side, and then you're going to see apply to other pages. So click on it, and then you're going to see like you can choose all pages, or you can simply choose like which page you actually wanted to add, right? The background that you choose. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance, stuff like that. You know how it goes. You know how it works. And yeah, goodbye. And then you just like apply. Yeah, no, like this.